Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create stunning AI generated images using the Canva's Dreamlab. So Dreamlab is a pretty new feature on Canva where you can make images using prompts that you want or the descriptions that you want. You can just click on this make me an image option or go to the Dreamlab directly by going to the left panel in here on the canva.com. Tap on the Dreamlab options, and in here Canva will ask you what will you imagine today. So you can just write or describe the image in a few words. For example, I'm going to just write I a house with a big backyard and also a pool with farm house style. Let's just try that. Here you can adjust the resolutions to how you like it. I'm going to go with 4:3. Now you can just tap on create, and within seconds the Dreamlet will show you the result. You can see there are four results that you can choose between this. If you want to regenerate it again, you can just change the prompt, or you can also modify it to how you like it. If you like one of the image, you can download it directly from here, or you can also edit it again on Canva by clicking on this button. And so that's how you can create stunning AI images using Dreamlab on Canva. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, click on the thanks. Bye.